Hi YouTube, I just wanted to share something with you. So today I was looking for a jar to do a project with, and I don't have a jar except this one. This is my 12.99, maybe 13 or more pounds. This was intricate from Hobbycraft, yeah, die. So I've got a jar, but the fairy's attached, but you can cut her out. But if you didn't want to cut this out, I've got a good idea for you. Look, so I'm gonna put it together for you, then you'll see. So I'm just gonna cut it out for you, then you might be able to see. So I found this next door. It's actually a globe. I'm going to use it that way. So that's going to be the lid of my jar. And then I'm going to scooch that off. So hold on. So look. When it comes out, it might look like a jar. I don't know. So we'll just have to experiment together. So I'm going to have to do that cutting side down. Both of my cutting plates are, B plates are ruined anyway, so it's no matter to me which way it goes because both of the plates are used. So here we go. Oh no, I need something with more tension. Just use a couple of shims and the chipboard. I've got my machine at a different angle now. Hopefully you'll be able to see. Oh no, there's no, I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. No tension, but I've got everything. I think I've used everything. Oh, I know. Don't worry about that. I'll just use I found my rubber mat. It was in here all along in this room. I thought I took it next door with my vintage die cutting machine, but it was here all along. Just hiding. Okay, so put it through. Got you at a funny angle, so it's not, oh, it's not working so great. 1 second. I'm putting my embossing mat on my A plate. Yeah, there's more of a tension there. That's probably moved all off. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. So it's just saving myself some money. But I will probably buy it, but not yet. So I know it's cut. I know it's cut. I know it's cut. I know it's cut. But let's see. Get ready for the reveal. Have I got mason jar? I don't know. I hope so. Take the globe off. And well, I have got a jar. And it's beautiful. It looks like a old-fashioned sweetie jar. I like it. It's nice. And the reason why I want it is because I wanted to design some flowers and stuff to go through. And look, I could cut these out and have them like, you know, in there sort of thing. Or anything really. I just wanted a jar. So that's my idea for a jar. If if you don't have one, or you could cut this out. I mean, you know, you can make jars yourself as well, but like I can snip this away, just get rid of the fairy, and then I'll have an empty jar, a really pretty one. But I don't want to do that yet. And I'm gonna cut this through again with white cardstock, because then I want to put my flowers in that I don't have any to hand. But one second, I did actually have a flower dye here. I don't know, the thing is my table's full of stuff, so I don't even know here. Oh yeah, I could use this. One second. Do you remember my dye from eBay for $1.99 that I bought recently? I could use that. Yeah, that's right. I could use this. Just take that off. I'm just looking for some paper or card to cut through. I've got everything everywhere. Sorry, one second. Oh, just when you need it, you can't find it. So anyway, I'm going to do this. I'm going to plonk that on there and then run it through. Sorry, I'm not being very clear on this. I'm not very organised right now. So you put that through. Remember, you have to square everything off, otherwise it won't work. And then shim. Well, I might not need the shim because I got the fussing mat. And then go through twice in case it didn't cut. And I can use 2 or 3 of them of what I've just cut out inside the jar. Yeah, it's gonna cut out nicely. Don't be too rough with it. It definitely is a good dye and it works fine. I've used it in the past. It's there cut out nicely, you just have to don't be too rough with it. But this was only printer paper, so it actually did me a favour. It cut out more than one. It's cut out two pieces at the same time. Well, you can take your time about. I just pulled my one off, but you can take your time. Just swirl it in and around. Right, I'm being a bit rough with mine, but you get the idea. Just take your time, okay? So that can go out or in or whatever you want, really, because just whatever there, or in there, growing out. Do you get the idea? I just wanted a mason jar, really, so that was the whole purpose of me making this video. And also you could make your lovely flowers with shiny foam, Eva foam, and then have them sticking out your mason jar. So I think that's a good idea as well. I'm going to play around some more tomorrow. So today I just wanted to test it out for myself, you know. And it works nicely. I just wanted to give you a hint and a tip about it. So if you liked my idea, please give me a thumbs up. And I'm signing off now. See you. Take care. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a happy comment down below. Thank you.